Okay, here's some thoughts on this problem without a diagram. Kind of taking a stab, but I think this is probably what's happening. We've got angle Q, which is the union of these two blue rays with a common endpoint at Q. We've got an angle bisector that divides angle Q into two congruent angles, or two angles with equal measure. And we're told that the measure of angle 1 is 4x plus 3y, or that's an expression for the measure of angle 1. Since angle Q is bisected by this ray, that means measure of angle 1 equals the measure of angle 2. That's the definition of an angle bisector. And it's also true that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 has to equal the measure of, this is supposed to be a Q, the measure of angle AQB. That's called the angle addition postulate. And now we can use some substitution to come up with an equation for the measure of angle Q in terms of x and y. For this angle 1, I can substitute 4x plus 3y. For angle 2, I can substitute measure of angle 1, but then the measure of angle 1 is 4x plus 3y. Another way to think of it is that each of these two angles right here has to be congruent. So whatever expression represents the measure of one of them has to represent the measure of the other one. So the measure of the big angle Q is two of these. 2 times the quantity 4x plus 3y. If you want to distribute the 2, that's fine, 8x plus 6y. Now if I go to this website, see if you can make note of this URL. It has all kinds of constructions that show you how to do them. For example, if I want to see how to bisect an angle, I'll click on that. And then it'll show you the steps using your compass and straightedge. There's the angle. Angle Q, how about that? Take your compass, open it to some length, draw those arcs right there. Find the point of intersection, leaving the same opening for the compass. And then draw the ray from Q through this point of intersection. Here we go. That is the angle bisector. If you scroll down, it'll show you why it's the angle bisector, but you might not have enough background to understand that proof yet. Okay, so there you go. I hope that helped. If you have any questions, post a comment.